This could be one of the great movie that I have ever seen for this year, and I think this could be the best scary movie for this year. If there will be no copy for this the whole year, maybe perhaps this could be the I Know What You Did Last Summer reboot will be the best movie ever. Hold on, I'll just make some gargle. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I am so excited. Hold on, where we are. There it is. Fantastic. Acting. Hold on, guys.